So I'm going to be doing a tear down and replacement of the control board here on the ESun filament dryer. This comes in two versions, the Pro version, or the first version that came out, which might be marked as 1.0, or the light version. So here I have the light version, does not have the built-in scale. If you want to use a built-in scale, you'll need to get an HX711 module and solder it onto the ESP32. So the first thing I've done here is, so I've moved the pads over to the side to expose the screws. And you're going to go ahead and take apart these 4 screws. Now don't go and pull this thing out. There are 2 more screws here on the inside. You're going to want to take these 2 screws out. Now I'm not sure about the one with the scale, if it has 2 screws in here. It might be 4 based on the placement. And that goes ahead and pops out now. So now that we've got that out, you can go ahead and see the fan, the heating element, and the control board here. So on my version, I have the ESP32 already installed. So what you're going to do is unscrew these, let's see, 6 screws here. There's an extra one on the center, which may or may not come in your model. It's not really needed. So you unscrew those. You put the adapter in, and you screw it all back in together. You connect the NTC module's adapter, just because I designed it with the wrong port, so I made an adapter that comes with this. You can stick your antenna to the top portion of this, just to give it a good place to stay out of the way, and then connect it all back together. So I'm doing this as one video, no cuts, so you guys can kind of see everything. Once you've got that in there, you can kind of go ahead and slide this back into place. Then you take this thermistor, or not thermistor, temperature and humidity sensor, slide it up in there. You can kind of wrap that around this little opening here. Make sure it's not where the screws go. Now you can go ahead and take your cover plate. Oh, this is why I was taking it apart, because I forgot to put this back in. Don't be like me. Plug your power cables back in, guys. Alright, power cables back in. Now we can go ahead and slide this right back into place. You can go up here to the top, get the 2 screws back in. And you may or may not have luck getting these 2 screws in first. You may have to do the bottom. Yeah, let's go ahead. Do the bottom in here first. Make sure to put that in the correct orientation. Let's see, can I pop this out? Yes, I can. Rounded part up. Oh, it wants rounded part down, so there it goes. Okay. These parts want to push it back. Give it a little extra tightening just to make sure it's all nice and snug. Back over, let's do the inside, line the plate up. Slide, the plate slides a little bit left to the right, just line it up to the holes. There you have it. Ebox disassembly, reassembly.